Hey you guys, I am so excited to hop on and highlight this beautiful boneless sofa that I just got sent. This thing is amazing and I'm going to highlight some of the very unique features of this and why this would be an amazing addition to your house. So first of all, this is beautiful and so comfortable. I actually was very surprised at how comfortable this couch is. Now it comes all wrapped up with all the air sucked out of it. So I will include a video at the end of this showing what the process looks like for opening that up, but you let it air out for a couple of days and the pieces slowly expand into what they're going to be. And this is amazingly comfortable. It's a little deceiving at first. It looks a little underwhelming when you open it. And then it's like, oh yeah, this is awesome. You just have to be patient. So it takes a couple of days to get to this phase. Okay. So don't get it and then be disappointed when it's not immediately poofed up. It takes some time, but that's the way it's designed. So it comes with 2 pillows and then it comes with 2 ottomans. Now this is really cool because you can design this and adjust it in the way that's going to fit your space. These are all individual pieces, so you do not have to have it the way I have it right now. You could make it long ways rather than like width wise. You could make it a bigger length. You can adjust the leg rest. All of this is adjustable, which is amazing because it really can modify to whatever your space is, which is a brilliant design because it's so much more functional that way and it's so much more versatile. So the 2 pillows, the 2 ottomans, we've got our 2 armrests on the side, our 2 main pieces, and then this centerpiece as well. Now they really thought through how to give this good structure because I've sat on boneless couches before and a lot of times the back feels like it doesn't have great support, but they have fixed that with this design and I absolutely love this. So I'm going to flip this piece around so that you guys can kind of see the whole setup. Right here we have a back piece. This is pretty firm. It's a lot more firm than like the couch cushions, but what they did to give it that extra firmness is they added this cushion piece to the back of it. So when you place this on here, it is raising the back. So then when you lean back, you've got cushion pretty much all the way up to my shoulder blades, which is awesome. I absolutely love that design. I think that that is a big thing that they have fixed that I have not seen on other boneless couches. So I'm absolutely loving this. Now, the next thing that is so unique to this couch, I have reviewed multiple boneless couches. I've never seen this before and I love it. So this is so much storage space. So I'm just going to show you guys really quick right here. This whole portion lifts off and inside of that you have storage. You have so much storage. And now not only do the ottomans do that, the entire couch does. So every seat cushion has storage underneath it as well as the ottomans. And then it can just kind of click back on and into place and you are ready to go. So I love that. I feel like that makes it super, super functional if you're in a small, tight space and you just need extra room and extra storage. That is the coolest feature. I literally have never seen that on a couch. Even these seat cushions are storage. So really, really neat. So the last thing I want to highlight is the beautiful material that this couch is. It is so nice because it comes with these pleats, but it is also like a soft velvety material. So it is so comfortable. It's not like the leather that is really nice, but sticky, and it's not always comfortable to lay on leather. This is amazing because it looks extremely nice and it feels amazing. So I am loving this couch for all of those different reasons I listed. Great back support, nice modular design. Every seat on the couch plus the ottomans have storage, which is incredible. And they have just upped the game with this couch. This one, you guys, is amazing. If you are on the hunt for a boneless couch that's not huge, but it is modular so you can function it and make it work for your space. This is incredible and I highly recommend it. This one is a 10 out of 10 to me. So make sure you guys hop on and check this couch out.